So guys, ishowspeed showed up in Jamaica and already the chaos is unmatched. Let's dive in a little bit.
Okay, let's go.
So as usual, the famous backflip competition. And he did it. He just settled the biggest debate, food debate on the internet. Jamaica as the best KFC in the entire world.
Love and spice. This got flavor. This got flavor. You work hard for this KFC, don't you?
Very hard. Number one.
Jamaicans don't frighten for nobody. We respect everybody, but nobody don't better than we. You know that? Like you pat your chest. I say nobody don't better than me.
Nobody better than me.
Whoa, whoa. Wait a
Nobody
minute.
better than me.
No. Come again. Nobody better than me.
Nobody better than me.
And then say, Yendi says so.
Yendi says so.
Well, there you have it. A little bit of ishowspeed in Jamaica. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching.